Science. The spread of contaminant is increasing in a circular pattern on the surface area of a lake. The radius of contaminant can be modeled by the function r of t is equal to 5.25 square root of t, where r is the radius in meters and t is the time in hours since the contamination. A. Find a function that gives the area of a circular lake in terms of the time t since the spread began. So first of all, let me see here. We already know the area of the circle is written in the form pi times r square. So this is the area pi times r square. But now here, in this case, in this specific case, for the circular contaminant, if we want to find out, we write here instead of the r t. So and this area we are finding in terms of the function t, because that's what we have. We can write in this form pi, and instead of the r square, everything here we are squaring, which is a 5.25 and the square root of t, which is everything in the square. After we are squaring everything, we're gonna get the area is equal with the pi time, and when we square 5.25, it's gonna give us a 27 times 27 point 626.25t. So we can check in a calculator 25t, or to write a little bit better, to look better, a of t is going to be equal with, and we write first the numerical value, it looks more professional, 27.625 pi t, pi times t. This is what we have. And now, and under the B, says find the size of contaminated area after 36 hours. So we already have this number here, and instead of the t, we just plug in the number 36. So instead of the t, we write 36, because this is a function a of t. Let me substitute here whenever we have a t, f of 36, and it's going to be this way. So is a 27.625 times pi, which is a 3.14. We multiply 3.14, and now time t is a 36 times 36. Now we just plug all these values in a calculator, and a of 36 is going to give us, so I'm not going to do all this work because it's going to take a long time, and everything is going to be equal with 3,100 and 3,117.2 meter square, because as we said in the beginning, everything is the time is with respect to the meter square. The radius is in the meter square, and time is in hours. And so for 36 hours, is the contaminant is going to spread, the area that is going to spread is a 3,117.2 meters square. And now here says find the says find the the find when the size of the contaminant area is 6,250 square meter. So instead of the A, we plug in 6,250. So that's what we plug in. And this is equal with the on the other side below what we have a 27.625 pi time t pi time t. So what I did here, basically instead of the a, what we have a here, a of t, what we have a formula, I'm plugging here in a 6,250, what we have this value for the area, and 27.625 I already brought here. We have a pi, here is a pi, and here is a t, and we want this to solve for time. We want to know how much time is going to take if the area is going to spread with the contaminant 6,250. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to divide everything by 27.625 times pi. And when I divide everything, so let me make a little bit shortcut, and everything I think is obvious, so we don't have to go in every detail. And in this side is going to be 6,250. So just let me see, did I write it correctly? 50. And everything we are dividing by 27.625 pi, 625 pi, and we just plug in a calculator everything, but in the lower part we have to multiply 27.625 by 3.14 if we approximate, and t, then we can find the time, which is going to be equal, when you do everything, is 72.24 hours. So that's how many hours it's going to take in order the contaminant to spread in the surface area of 6,250 meters square.